And here it is. I am excited. Look, it opens right into it. So here it is, nice and covered up. And you can see right away, it is a 7.5, 7.5, 2-inch brim, caribou, and it's the Saxxon model, which I really like. I've always preferred to have basically a 2-inch brim on any of my hats, and this is something that I've wanted for many years, and I'm finally able to purchase it. So I did do other videos of Bailey's hats, but this is one that I really wanted for a long time, and they discontinued making it as far as I understand. So I am very excited about this, and let's give it a go here. Here's the hat. Let's try it on. I wait many years for this. Oh my goodness. I can already get a feeling that I'm going to love this. Now, one of my favorite parts, put it down. I love this about this hat is that it does stay, and I've been wanting to do this for a very long time since I was a teenager. So it's very exciting for me and my first experience in this. So please do keep that in mind. Something else I'd like to mention is I have a box here that it came in, and but they definitely is a very nice box. Unfortunately, they don't make this model anymore from what I understand. What I like to ask is there any hat models that you have or had in the past that you would like to discuss down in the comments? Please let me know. What is your favorite Stetson hat that you have? Are you guys interested in maybe tagging me in a video and letting me know? I'd be very interested. Another thing that I like to say is I'm going to leave my Instagram down in the description. I'm there a lot more than I am on YouTube. Please do know that I have a Patreon channel as well. If you guys would like to donate there, I would be very appreciative of that. If today's the day that I earn your subscription, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. And I will leave the Bailey's hat video that I did a while back as the carry-on video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.